Good day everyone, this is Jose Biag.
And this is Angelica Marie Beringuela Bufete. Today we are discussing about mitosis and meiosis. But before that, let us know what is mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis are both types of cell division, but they have different purpose and outcomes. Mitosis creates two genetical identical somatic or body cells for growth and repair, while meiosis creates four genetical unique germ or sex cells, sperm and egg, with half the number of chromosomes for sexual division. Now, let us learn about mitosis. Mitosis have its own stages, that is interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Oh, you don't understand it? Let me explain something. Interphase. The cell grows, replicates its DNA to prepare for cell division. This stage occurs before mitosis recommences. Prophase. The chromosome's genetic material condenses, coiled tightly, and the nucleolus disappears. Metaphase. The chromosomes align in the center of the cell and attach to microtubules in preparation to split apart. Anaphase. Chromatids separate and move to opposite ends of the cell. This stage ensures that each cell contains identical chromosomes after splitting. Telophase. Two new nuclei form around each set of chromosomes. Chromosomes condensed in the cell begin to split from each other. And finally, the last stage, cytokinesis. The cytoplasm of parent cells splits to form two identical daughter cells.
Meiosis is a specialized type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half, resulting in the production of gametes. Chromosomes pair up and recombination occurs. Chromosomes line up in the middle. Spindle fibers are formed and attached to centromeres. Homologous chromosomes are pulled apart by spindle fibers. Cell pinches in the middle. Next, two daughter cells are formed. In each daughter cell, the chromosomes line up in the middle. Sister chromatids are pulled apart by the spindle. Separated chromatids are not individual chromosomes. Next, the cell pinches in the middle and cytokinesis is complete. There are four granddaughter cells, each with half a set of chromosomes.
And that's all. Thank you for watching!